The recent launch of the Shibarium beta has gotten a lot of people questioning what possibilities are there for Shiba Inu? What will Shibarium really do to help benefit the Shiba Inu ecosystem? And I want to talk to you guys about why. But before I do, make sure you do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Now, we got to really think about what was the main reason why Shibarium was created. It was really launched to help fix two things. One, to bring down the supply, because we obviously know that the supply for Shiba Inu is very high. Sits at 589 trillion coins at this time. And they want to work through this to help really work on that price appreciation that can come with a lower supply. The second reason was Ethereum still has issues. Ethereum still has gas fee problems. It can't handle adoption. And this is a solution to help fix that. But from this, something much, much bigger is really being created. There are many parts to Shibarium that we don't even fully understand yet. We do know that it's going to help not only with the burning of SHIB, with the help facilitating of adoption, but it's also going to be a fundamental opportunity for growth. We know that the metaverse that Shiba Inu is currently working on and somewhat deploying, because we did get to see the unveiling at the South by Southwest convention. It looks awesome, by the way. This is what it is going to run on, which is awesome, right? There are many things that are being built on Shibarium already before its mainnet launch is even here. But we also know that ShibaNet is going to be live, an all-encompassing commerce platform, right? That's what we can call it, commerce platform. But there are many things beyond that. Shibarium is an opportunity for the community to continue to build, to help grow the ecosystem further than it already is. And during this time, we're seeing mass adoption happening. We've seen throughout this bear market cycle, the number of holders of Shiba Inu continue to increase. We've seen whales continue to accumulate. We've seen new partnerships being formed all the time with Shiba Inu. And the opportunity really does exist for Shiba Inu to continue to be a dominant player in the space. I think when all things are said and done, the Shibarium blockchain and Shiba Inu as a whole will have a very dominant foothold on the entire crypto market. Right now, it currently sits as the 15th largest coin by market cap, but its sights are set much further than that. It's set to be a coin that really everybody can relate to, everybody can have faith in, and everybody can rally behind to help promote the crypto ecosystem in its entirety. But that's just what I wanted to share with you guys. Great things happening, great things being built, and it's something to surely behold. But appreciate you guys as always. Definitely show your support below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel, ClearCryptos channel. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.